Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. My name is Tenologi Hani Basira Abu Asad with my friend Shelwa Kumari and Mungkub and Muhammad Adil bin Mak Saleh. We are from Polytechnic Mesin Johor. Okay, today we would like to present about our innovation titled Chatbot in Cisco IIICe Networking Teaching and Learning. Okay, for our previous method for teacher learning, we are using a static reference material such as a guidebook, 3-minute guides. This book is authored by our team member Shelwa Kumari and Shakira Mansur, both are a lecturer at Polytechnic Mesin. Okay, also we use a laboratory session for our student to learn practical on Cisco IIICe configuration and troubleshooting. Our proposed method is a new teaching aid using AI based, which is application named NetBot. It's much more interactive. Then this one is code using Python programming with integration with HTML5 and CSS3, such as this one. So our material hardware is our laptop or a PC and a smartphone. And our material software is a Visual Studio Code. This is for our IDE, Python 3.9 and above, Flash for a web server, HTML version 5, CSS version 3. Our database is SQLite. Our AI is a Groq. Encrypt is for the password encryption and Vanilla JS. So for our Python 20.3, for 3.9, our library and module that we use is a python.env, fuzzy string matching, and Python request. Okay, we go drill down into this material. So Flash is a web framework for Python, so we can use Flash to upload our coding so that it can be hosted in a cloud, and our student can use this web server to reach the website. Okay, Bcrypt is for the password encryption. Okay, Groq AI is the important one. This is a generative artificial intelligence that we use to integrate with our chatbot. It's developed by Elon Musk in November 2023. Okay, SQLite is our compact serverless database engine that we use for this application. So our database is very light, just consists of username and password of a student. And our coding is will be using Python programming, and I use 3.9. As long as it's 3.9 and above, it can support the most of the configuration. Okay, this is a snap review of our coding. This is app.py and index.html. So we integrate both Python and HTML in our system, so that for the layout, student will view the HTML. For the processing will be based on the Python programming. Okay, so problem statement: student at Polytechnic Mesin Johor struggle to understand and memorize Cisco IIICe command, configuration syntax and troubleshooting procedure. Limited instructor availability outside class hour. Leave student without immediate guidance. Existing learning material are insufficient in providing interactive support, resulting in delayed understanding and poor academic performance. The absence of dedicated learning to force students to rely on internet resources. So the purpose of innovation, we have three, which is first to design chatbot application for network student to assist in learning Cisco IIICe command and network configuration. Second, to develop a chatbot application that displays Cisco IIICe command configuration. The third one, to test and implement a new learning aid for network student enrolled in Cisco networking courses at Polytechnic Mesin. Okay, this is our scope, project and features. Is based on curriculum. It's online with knowledge base. So all the knowledge base in the chatbot, the rule-based chat is aligned with our curriculum, our syllabus. Okay, so basically we build this app currently for switching and routing essential. Okay, cross-platform accessibility means this application able to be used by student anywhere, anytime, as long as they have access to web browser. Okay, open source technology. So for our application, we use only the free tools and free software such as Python 3.9, Visual Studio Code, Groq, Bcrypt. All this is free open source. So there is no cost that been used for this app. So it's much cheaper lah. Okay, interactive rule based interface. So we have interactive rule based interface. Also we have AI based interface. And TVET specific design. So this is specifically designed for polytechnic student who taken networking program. Okay, this is our methodology. We using waterfall because we use of planning, then we analysis, then we design, we develop, we testing, and we implement. This already we implement to our student successfully. So innovative solution. This is our design architecture. As you can see, overall all the background Groq and SQLite is installed together with the Flash as a framework web. So we have Python 3.9 for programming, Vanilla JS, HTML5, and CSS3. This is some of the program file that we did to support to make sure that the application able to be running successfully. So we have chatbot architecture, AI layer, app. So app.py is the core backbone of the application. Cisco command, where we put the Cisco command for rule base. Smart chatbot is for the Groq AI. Chat and IP validator is for the checking calculation of submitting. We have index, login, and register, which all this in HTML. This is a landing page for the student to view the chatbot. So this is the implementation and testing. So as you can see here, we have a login here. So first need to create one, then you can log in. This is the landing boot. This is the username. Okay, so this is rule-based chatbot for network command page. So as you can see here, if let's see, put the OSPF command, then it will appear all the OSPF. So let's say student want to ask any question, then the AI will answer that one. Okay, this is AI based. So this is the topic for network command page. This is a troubleshooting page. So all this is based on polytechnic course for networking syllabus. Okay, so this also for the calculating subnetting view. So I will demo the project now. So as you can see here, as you can see here, I create first. Okay, let's see Amina. Okay, create the account. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, this is my name as a user. Okay, this is my profile. Okay, so let's say this is the topic, all the topic. As you can see, this is all the rule-based chat. This one we need to, this is the verify command. This is the knowledge-based topic. This is based on rule-based, which we need to, our team need to practically hard-coded all the answer. So let's say interVLAN. So just click on the interVLAN and it will appear all the related configuration for interVLAN. So let's say for multi-area, so click that one and it will that one. So let's say want to verify inter-channel, just click that one. So all the related configuration will be appear here. So this all the thing less than 1 minute compared to use a static reference which in book. Student need to open up the book step times. Okay, this one is for troubleshooting. Let's say the student want to troubleshoot SSRP. You click that one. This is the step to troubleshooting. Okay, so this one is the calculation of subnet mask. Let's say I put this one. They calculate the subnet. So you can see here, this is the calculation for the student who have weak VLSM and VLSM subnetting. They can use this in order to verify and check their subnetting calculation. Okay, other one is we have AI. So this AI, okay, let's say what is OSPF. So as you can see here, this is from AI Groq. So this is AI based. Okay, we interface with we integrate with AI Groq, so it will answer all the question. So let's say I want to see how to troubleshoot static route. So AI also able to answer the step how to troubleshoot the static route. Okay, so this is for the profile. Okay, so the profile, want to change the password. Okay, this is for the feedback. Is let's say the user have any feedback, they can use that one. Okay, so then log out. Okay, so now we go back to our slideshow. Okay, so result in this question, this application improves student performance. Why? Because NetBot provide immediate and accurate response to Cisco IIICe queries, helping students clarify doubt instantly, and the knowledge base is based on the syllabus that we are teaching to the student. Okay, new learning aid. So in my research, okay, there is no chatbot specifically niche for network. Okay, that we have Cisco chatbot, but it is commercially need to be paid. Okay, it's not free. Okay, so NetBot introduce innovative and interactive learning aid that replace static reference materials. Offering students a modern and curriculum online tool for mastering Cisco as command and configuration. Self-directed learning. Means students engage in independent learning beyond scheduled class hours, accessing curriculum online support at any time and from any location, encouraging greater ownership of their learning journey. Okay, and reduce instructor workload. Okay, NetBot reduce time spent addressing repetitive iOS command question, allow instructor to focus on higher order teaching activities. And round the clock accessibility, since this is a web based, so student able to access this application anywhere, anytime, as long as they have access to web browser. This is a sustainable institution model which is NetBot able to be open up to other institutions in Polytechnic Malaysia. So other students in other polytechnic who take the network courses also able to use this application. So this is the benefit to society. There is the comparison. So the network they are free. All this one Cisco AI system is paid. To use it you need to pay. The network is free. This is interactive, yes. Rule based, yes. AI based also, yes. And it is a specific network. Okay, same as Cisco AI. Okay, so for commercial potential, okay, we can replicate this across polytechnic institution. Not replicate, basically we can give this to other instructor at polytechnic so they can use it as to their student. Okay, as a new teaching aid. Expandable to other networking courses. So we not only have switching and routing, we also have network design, and we can add a new a new information about network design inside the application. Potential for licensing and distribution. It can be packaged as a licensed education software offered to TVET institution, industry and corporate training application. It have a strong potential for adoption by corporate training department. Integration with e-learning platform. So since this is a web-based, it able to integrate successfully with any Google Classroom and a Moodle. Just put the link, hyperlink, and the student able to access that one. Government and education grant opportunities. So they have a transformation agenda of Polytechnic Mesir is well positioned to attract government grants. Okay, so conclusion, successfully deliver a practical web-based solution addressing the challenge faced by networking student. It's combined a structured local knowledge base with an AI engine powered the Groq API. So NetBot provide quick and accurate access to Cisco IIICe command references, troubleshooting guidance, and subnet calculation during practical lab session. So that would bridge the gap between theoretical understanding and hands-on application in the switching and routing subject. So for recommendation, okay, this application it can implement session-based memory. For now, there is no session-based memory to return contact and handle follow-up question. Okay, expanded knowledge base extend to access controlly network address transaction and add pan routing protocol. So currently there are no this topic in our knowledge base. Enhance user experience by integrating the voice input or for hand-free interaction during lab session. And database scalability, might be we can migrate to more robust database instead of using SQLite. Okay, so this is our references. Okay, that's all. So for our presentation. So any question you may contact me at my email. Okay, thank you very much.